Hello everyone, welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today I am going to explain integration class 12 part 16. Let us see the question. Here question is what? Integration of 2 to 3 x dx upon x square plus 1d. So this is what? Definite integration. So first we will find integration of the given function and after that we will put the limit. If we will suppose we will put x square 1 equal to t, then limit will also change, right? So here we are solving, suppose t equal to what? X square plus 1. So this is dt upon dx equal to what? That is x square derivative, you know, nx to the power n minus 1. So 2x power 2 minus 1. That is simply 2x. And this is constant, so constant derivative is what? 0. Now we need dx. So when we will find from here dx, so dx equal to what? dt upon 2x, right? So we can write integration of, this is lower limit is 2, so here function is x. So put x equal to 2 for finding our lower limit, because here we are using what? dt. So t x square plus 1, so when we put x equal to 2, so 2 square 4 plus 1 5. So lower limit will be what? 5. In the same way here upper limit is 3. So for upper limit just put x equal to 3. So 3 square plus 1. So 3 square is what? 9. 9 plus 1 is what? 10. So we can write here 10. Now this is x, so this x will be cancelled out. So we are writing direct x here, okay na? And here x square plus 1 is what? t. Now this is dx. So we know the value dx is what? dt upon 2x. So we can put here dt upon 2x. So this x and x will be cancelled out and we will get what? This is 1 by 2 is constant. So this is 1 by 2 and integration of 5 to 10, and this is what? 1 by t dt. Now finally you know half is constant and integration of 1 by x is what? Log x. 1 by x dx. So here 1 by t dt. So integration of 1 by t dt is what? Log t. So we can write direct here log t. Now upper limit is 10 and lower limit is what? 5. Now rule is what? Half is half. Here, so just put the value of variable to the upper limit. So t equal to 10. So we'll get log 10. Log 10 minus. Now again put the value of lower limit. So lower limit is what? 5. So at the place of t put 5. So this is log 5. So this is minus log 5. Okay. Now you see this is half. Here log 10 minus log 5. So you know log x minus log y is what? Log x upon y. X divide y. So here we can write easily log 10 and divide 5. So you know 5 to the 10. So we will get what? Half, and this is log 2. So this is our correct answer. Half log 2 right answer. Now see the next question. So next question is what? Find 0 to 1 x e to the power x square d. So this is also a definite integration. So first we will integrate the given function and then we will use upper limit and lower limit. So x e x power x square. So for this type of function what we do? Just put t equal to what? X square. So we will get dt by dx equal to what? 2x. So from this we can find dx. dx is what? dt upon 2x. Now you know integration. So when we put x, lower limit is 0. So x is 0. So 0 square is 0. So t will be also 0. Again when upper limit is 1. So when 1 square is also 1. So this is 1. X is x multiply e power x square is t. And now you can put the value of dx, so dx will be dt by 2x. So this is dt upon 2x. So this x and this x will be cancelled out, and we will get what? This x will be cancelled out, and this is 2. So constant is 1 by 2, and upper limit is 1, lower limit 0, and this is what? Et dt. Now you know this is the constant term, that is half, and integration of e power t dt, et dt. E to the power t dt is what? Only e power t. So this is e to the power t, and upper limit is 1 and lower limit is 0. Now you know well this is what? Half. And just put the value of upper limit in the place of variables here t. So e power t equal to 1, so we'll get e to the power 1 minus e to the power t, so lower limit is what? 0. So e to the power 0. So this is e power 0. Now you know this is half, this is e minus 1. So our correct answer is what? E minus 1 by 2 is our right answer. So now you see the next question. So next question is what? Find integration of 0 to pi by 4 2 sec square x plus x cube plus 2 dx, right? So for this type of question, it's simple. First to find integration of the given function, and then use upper limit and lower limit. So here we know integration. 2 is constant, so integration of sec square x is what? 10x, because derivative of 10x is sec square x. So integration of sec square x is 10x. So we will write here 2 10x. And you know integration of x to the power 3. So x to the power n integration is xn plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So x to the power 3, so 3 plus 1 is 4. So we will get integration of x3 is what? x4 upon 4. In the same way, this is 2. So 2 is constant term, that means x to the power 0. X to the power 0, 0 plus 1 is what? 1. So x power 1 is x. So we will get what? Integration of 2 is what? That is 2x. Now here upper limit is pi by 4 and lower limit is what? 0. Now just you put up in the place of x upper limit pi by 4 minus at the end put the value of x equal to 0. So when we put pi by 4, we will get what? 2 10 pi by 4. 10 pi by 4 is what? 1. So 2 into 1, that is simply 2. Here x4 power 4. So x4 is what? Pi by 4 to the power 4. So we will get this is pi by 4 to the power 4 and divided by 4 plus 2 into pi by 4 minus 0, because we will put 0 here. This is 0, this is 0 and this is 0. Now you can see this is 2. Here pi by 4 whole 4. So we will get what? Pi to the power 4. And 4 power 4, you know, 4 into 4, 16. So 16 into 16, what? 256. And this is also 4. So 256 into 4. So when we multiply 256 into 4, so 4 6 are 24, 4 5 are 20, 22, 4 2 are 2, 10, 1024. And this is what? This 2 cancel 4, we get what? Pi by 2. So correct answer is 2 plus pi to the power 4 by 1024 plus pi by 2 is our correct answer. Let us see the fourth question. The fourth question is what? Find integration of 0 to pi sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2. So it is a question of definite integration. So first you find integration of the given function and then use upper limit and lower limit. So for this function, you know, for this formula, that is cos 2x equal to what? That is cos square x minus sin square. But here sin square x by 2, cos square x by 2. So we can write simply cos x equal to what? That is cos square x by 2 and minus sin square x by 2. But we have this. So just take common minus. So if we take minus common, we will get what? That is sin square x by 2 and minus cos square x by 2. Right? So we can write a minus cos x equal to what? That is sin square x by 2 and this is minus cos square x by 2. So this is sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2. We can write minus cos x. So this is 0 to pi and this is what? Minus cos x dx. Now you know minus here, and now integration of cos x is what? Sin x. So we can write here, so integration of cos x is what? Sin x. So we can write here sin x. And this is upper limit is pi and lower limit is 0. So we can write directly here minus, this is sin pi minus sin 0. So sin pi is what? 0 and sin 0 is 0. So our correct answer is what? 0. 0 is our right answer. Now see the question number 5. Question 5 is what? Find the integration of 0 to 2 by 3 1 upon 4 plus 9x square t. So this is a definite integration. So first we will solve the integration of the function and then use upper limit and lower limit. So you know this is 1 by 4 plus 9x square. And you know well integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is what? Tan inverse A. So just you take common as a 4, you will get 1 plus square, some number square. So first we are taking 4 common from denominator. So we will get 1 by 4 and this is integration 0 to 2 by 3. And now this is what? 1 plus 9 by 4 x square dx. So we can write 1 by 4 integration of 0 to 2 by 3. 1 upon 1 plus 3x by 2 whole square dx. Right? Now you know this is 3x by 2. So just you put, because this is the dx, so here just you put t equal to, if we put t equal to 3x by 2, then dt by dx equal to what? That is derivative of x will be 1. So we will get only what? 3 by 2. So dx equal to what? 2 upon 3 dt. Now you see this is in 1 by 4 and integration of 0 to 2 by 3. So here when we put t equal to 3x by 2, right? So here t equal to 3x by 2. So when we will put 0, so it will get what? 0. So lower limit will be what? 0. And now for upper limit, this is 2 by 3. So when we put 3 by 2 into 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3, so we will get what? Only 1. So this is what? 0 to 1. And now here 1 upon 1 plus what? T square. And this is what? Dt. So dt upon 2 by 3. And you can say 2 by 3 dt. This is 2 by 3 dt. So we can write here 1 by 4 multiply 2 by 3. And integration of 1 by 1 plus square what? Tan inverse A. So we can write tan inverse t. Upper limit 1 and this is 0. So we will get what? This is 2 1 are 2, 1 by 6 into tan inverse t. So put 1 upper limits, we get tan inverse 1.